Hey, what up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to install PUBG. What you need to do is install Steam for your PC. I've done a video on this on how to download it. It's going to be down in the description. But once you've downloaded it, all you have to do is open it up and go into the store. And just search PUBG, and should be right here. Let's see. Right now there's a promotion going on. It's 20 bucks. It's usually 30 bucks. And if you buy it, all you have to do is buy it. And once you buy it, it starts downloading. And the downloading process usually takes a while, depending on your internet speed. Mine took around like a whole night. In the morning it was already installed. But I hope this video helped out. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.